Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical which was asked on properties of fluid topic. Now here the question was asked in GATE 2015 for 1 mark in set 3. Now let us understand this question. Question is written on the screen. Let us read the question and solve this question. Here question is a rigid container of volume 0.5 meter cube. Now here rigid container is given. Here there is a container, right? This is a container and the volume of this total volume of this container is 0.5 meter cube. Now contains 1 kg of water at 120 degrees Celsius. Here mass is, here inside this container mass is 1 kg. Mass of water is 1 kg at 120 degrees Celsius. Now at 120 degrees Celsius, Vf and Vg values are given. Right? Vf is specific volume of saturated liquid state and Vg is specific volume of saturated vapor state. Now if I draw here temperature versus entropy diagram, the state will be like this. Now here on saturated liquid line, whatever the values are Vf, and on saturated vapor line the value will be Vg, right? And towards this line there will be a liquid state. Here there will be a liquid state towards left of Ef. Here there will be a vapor state and in between there will be a liquid plus vapor state, right? Now this is a saturated liquid line and here there is a dry saturated vapor line that already we have seen. Now here my dear students, here the concept is on the saturated liquid line the values are Ef values. Then whatever may be the value, it may be entropy, it may be enthalpy, it may be a specific volume, or it may be a internal energy, that are Ef values, and on dry saturated vapor state it is G values. Now my dear students, the question is the state of water is, right? Here so Vf value is given, Vf is given 0.00106 in meter cube per kg and Vg is given which is nothing but 0.8908 meter cube per kg. Now they are asking what is the state of water, right? Now my dear students, these are the specific volume values. Therefore for this vessel also calculate specific volume. Therefore specific volume is nothing but volume divided by mass. Therefore is equal to volume of this container is 0.5 divided by mass is 1. Therefore it is 0.5. The specific volume of this container will be 0.5 meter cube per kg. It is having meter cube per kg unit. Therefore the specific volume of container is given 0.5 meter cube per kg. Now from the values, can you say that the specific volume at saturated liquid state is less than specific volume of the container is less than specific volume in at dry saturated vapor state? This is the relation. From this you can say, therefore the volume is in between vapor state and liquid state. Therefore the content will be partly in liquid and partly in vapor state. Therefore option C is correct choice. The mixture is saturated liquid plus saturated vapor. There will be a liquid as well as there will be a vapor state. Now by calculation, if this volume of mixture, we can say, let us say, if this volume of content is less than Vf, then it is compressed liquid or subcooled state. It is subcooled liquid or compressed liquid, right? Compressed liquid, that means option A. Whenever this V is equal to Vf, then it is saturated liquid state, that is option B. Saturated liquid state, that is option B. Whenever this V is more than Vf, means Vf is less than V but less than Vg, then it is liquid plus vapor state, that is saturated liquid plus saturated vapor state. Whenever this V is equal to Vg, then it is dry saturated vapor state, vapor state. And whenever this V is more than Vg, then it is superheated vapor, state, that is option D. But here as condition is Vf is less than Vg, then option C is correct choice. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic.